name is Quentin, and this time I built a toy car. I used a distance sensor and 3 wheels. This is how it works. When something is closer to it by 20 inches, then it will start turning right.